Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Fun and Learn with the Orchid School, and in our music session we have our music sir with us. So sir, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hi, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and safe at your places. Do you remember my name? Who I am? Okay, I will tell you. Myself, Dani Arif, and I'm from the Orchid School. This is your music session, and today we are going to sing so many songs and so many rhymes. So guys, are you all ready for this session?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, first clap for yourself. That's great. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly to your left side. Roly poly to your right
side.
That's great. Now do it with the actions. Do you remember actions? Like this.
Okay.
Make roly poly.
Okay. You will teach me.
Yeah, I will teach you.
Okay.
Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly to your left side. Roly poly to your right side. That's great. Okay, now do it with the actions.
Okay.
Okay, start.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, start.
Roly poly, up, up, up.
Roly poly, down, down.
Down.
Roly poly to your left side. Roly poly to your right side. That's great. Okay, now let's sing with the rhythm.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Roly poly, up,
Up, up.
Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly
to your left side. Roly poly to your right side. Wow, that's great. Wonderful. Everybody clap for yourself. That's great. Okay, so guys, do you remember any Urdu song?
Should I tell you one?
Yes.
Alu Mia.
Alu Mia. You want to sing Alu Mia?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing it. Alu Mia, कहाँ गए थे? कहाँ सो रहे थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. First let me sing, then you will sing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. Can you sing it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे.
बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे.
बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे.
Okay, now sing together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे.
Now one more. मटर में से कीड़ा निकला डर गए थे. कीड़े ने भाव किया भाग गए थे. Can you sing it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
मटर में से कीड़ा निकला डर गए थे. कीड़े ने भाव किया भाग गए थे.
Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. You did good job. Okay, now sing it with rhythm.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे. मटर में से कीड़ा निकला डर गए थे. कीड़े ने भाव किया भाग गए थे.
आई होप कि आज के शो में आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा और बहुत एंजॉय किया होगा.
Don't forget to give your feedback. So let's move on toward our next session.
Good morning again. Welcome to the Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savira. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's episode. Isn't it so? Yes, I can hear you. You enjoyed it. All right, before learning a new sound, we will talk about some healthy habits. First of all, tell me, did you have the breakfast, healthy breakfast today? Yes? I can hear you. You had an omelette today in the morning? Wow, it's a healthy food. And let me know, did you brush your teeth? Yes, I can hear you. You brush your teeth. It's a very good habit, you know. It's very healthy for you. And can you tell me, did you wear the mask while going out? Yeah, it's very important. Whenever you are going out, you should wear the mask. Stay healthy, stay safe and stay at home. Okay? Now we will go to our new friend, our new sound. Are you ready for it? Yes. Let's go to a new sound. This is A. What is it? A. Octopus. Octopus. And octopus has how many legs? 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. 8 legs. See? Orange. Do you know orange is a fruit and it is sweet and sour in taste. It has many seeds. It has many seeds. Mostly it comes in winters. Mostly it comes in winters. You like them? Oh, I know you like them. You like orange juice? Oh, I love orange juice. Okay, this is omelette. You told me na you had it in the morning in the breakfast. You like it? You like omelette? Wow, lovely. It's a healthy food. Omelette is healthy for you. Olives. Olives. Olives comes in green and brown color and sometimes black olive you have seen around you, okay? Olives. Ostrich. Ostrich. Do you know an ostrich is a bird? Yes, it's a bird. It has 1 beak, 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 wings, but it cannot fly very high because it's a heavy bird. You know, it's a very big bird, but it cannot fly very high. You can see birds fly high, but an ostrich cannot fly very high. Okay, it has 1 beak, 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 wings, and it's a big bird, a ostrich. Very nice. Now we will move on in orange color. It's a new color and it's a secondary color. Yesterday we did last primary color, you remember? Isn't it so? What we have learned yesterday? We have learned a blue color. Remember? But today we are going to learn a color that is secondary color. And what is its name? It's orange. What is it? What is its name? It's orange. Now you can see it's orange pumpkin. Pumpkin is a vegetable. Pumpkin is a vegetable. Okay? Orange carrots. Carrots comes in 2 colors, red and orange. But we have orange carrots here. See? Orange leaf and it's an autumn leaf. Do you know in autumn season? Remember it. Okay? Autumn leaves are always orange in color. Okay? Now, what is this? Yeah, you're right. It's a starfish. It's a starfish. And can you see starfish is in orange color. Starfish is in orange color. And where does it live? Yeah, you're right. They live in ocean. They live in ocean. Now we have learned some things that are in orange color. I hope you have learned them. Okay? Now we'll move on days of the week. We will move on days of the week. Yesterday we have learned Wednesday. You remember? Wednesday. First day of the week is Monday. Second day of the week is Tuesday. Third day of the week is Wednesday. And today we are going to learn Thursday. Let's start the spelling. Come on. T H U R S D A Y, day, Thursday. And you can see it's the 4th day of the week. All right? I hope you have liked today's episode. Isn't it so? You liked it? You have learned a lot. Isn't it so? We have learned color, we have learned days of the week, we have learned a new sound. Did you learn it? You like it? Okay, then see you tomorrow with a new episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. And with whom? With Miss Savera. Now, see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Fun and Learn activity with the Orchid School. This is your teacher Naveen and we are going to learn numbers and shapes and many more things today. So are you all ready? Let's start with the oral counting. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Let's see what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn a new number and that is number 4. This is number 4. 4 is like a chair. You want to count things with me? I have very healthy things for you with number 4. See, what are these? These are guava. Let's count the guavas. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. अब next क्या है? आपको कुछ नजर आ रहा है? It's very yummy. It's if we'll take in a day, we keep the doctor away. It's a apple. Yes, you are right. I have how many apples? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have 4 apples with me. Good. Now, it's very yummy and juicy. These are oranges. These are oranges. And how many oranges do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 oranges with me. I have 4 guavas. I have 4 apples. I have 4 oranges. And what else I have? I have 4 pineapples. Do you think these are 4? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, see, I am right. These are 4 pineapples. I have something else as well and it's very healthy. You should take it every day. What are these? Banana. Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bananas. Let's see what do I have till now. I had 4 bananas, 4 guavas, 4 mangoes, 4 apples and 4 pineapples. One more thing I have and these are also 4. That is pomegranate. These are also 4 pomegranate. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I had all the things very healthy for you. You can also take fruits every day so you will be healthy. Very good. Do you want to sing a poem of numbers? Let's sing it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Let's repeat it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Well done. Clap for yourself. Now what else I have? I have a new shape for you. And this is rectangle. This shape is rectangle. I have many things with me which has rectangle in shape. You want to see? Okay, come. What is this? It's a block. आपके घर में ब्लॉक है? क्या आप ब्लॉक से प्ले करते हैं? कौन सा शेप है उन ब्लॉक्स का? आज जल्दी से सब देखेंगे और जिनके पास रेक्टेंगल ब्लॉक्स हैं वो अलग कर देंगे और उनको काउंट करके फिर हमें कमेंट्स में बताएंगे कि उनके पास कितने ब्लॉक्स हैं. ओके? वेल डन. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? It's a pencil box. It's a pencil box and this is also rectangle shape. And I have a bed with me. आपके पास बेड है घर में? क्या आप बेड पे सोते हैं? उसका शेप क्या है? आपकी बेड का भी शेप रेक्टेंगल होगा. आज आप वो भी चेक करेंगे, ठीक है? And this is a shoe box and this is of which shape? Rectangle shape. And then I have a What is this? ये तो सबकी मम्मा पापा आप खुद भी यूज करते हैं घर में. What is this? Come on, think. I will give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you are right. It's a remote control. What do we control with this remote? Yes, मम्मा टीवी के चैनल्स चेंज करती हैं तो वो किससे करती हैं? Remote control से. Very good. And this is a briefcase. This is a briefcase. हम इसमें लैपटॉप भी रख सकते हैं, हम अपनी स्कूल का चीज़ें भी इसमें रख सकते हैं, पापा अपनी ऑफिस की चीज़ें भी रख सकते हैं. So briefcase is also of rectangular shape. Well done. Very good. Now let's see what else we have. I have birds. See, I have 2 birds. I have 2 kites and I have 2 balls. But इनमें difference क्या है? दोनों balls हैं, दोनों kites हैं और दोनों birds हैं. But there's a difference of big and small. See, one bird is big, the other bird is small. One kite is big, the other kite is small. One ball is big and the other ball is small. See, so this is the difference between these 2 birds, these 2 kites and these 2 balls. So today we have learned concepts. We call it concept and this is a concept of big and this is a concept of small. So what do we have learned today? आज हमने कितनी चीजें पढ़ी? We learned numbers, we learned shape and we learned concept. That was big and small. Big and small. Well done. Okay, so here is the end of our segment. I hope you like our today's episode. We have learned numbers, we have learned shape and we have learned a concept, big and small. So tomorrow we'll meet you again with new activities, with more fun. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Alicia and welcome back to the Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. So once again we have Sir Mushtaq with us in our art session.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and assalamu alaikum Arisha beta, how are you?
I'm great sir, how are you?
I'm fine. I hope you will be fine at your home. Yes Arisha?
So sir, what are we learning today?
Today I'm going to teach you a very nice origami paper butterfly.
Okay, that sounds amazing.
Yes. Do you know what's the meaning of origami? Origami क्या है?
Yes, sir. It's a Japanese technique to make paper crafts.
Yes, and it's based on folding,
Folding,
creasing,
creasing.
and cutting.
Okay.
Okay, so today I am going to teach you how to make this kind of
Butterfly.
butterflies, and it looks very,
It's a 3D form.
yeah,
Okay.
and which looks very nice. Okay, now for this kind of butterfly we need some colorful pitch.
Okay.
Over here I have white one, pink, green, and
Yellow.
yellow, and we need
A sharp
a
scissors.
sharp scissor, and we need a scale, and last we need a
Gum.
glue.
Okay.
So I am going to take first paper, first colorful page, and what's the color of this page?
Yellow.
It's a yellow color. Very good, very good. Now I have to arrange, or I have to cut almost square.
Okay.
Okay.
Because it's rectangle.
Yeah, it's a rectangle. I need a square paper, so I'm going to.
So you are using the magic trick.
Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay.
It's done. Now, this square paper has 4 sides and 4
Equal sides.
corners.
Okay.
ठीक है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? Next step हमारा corner to corner folding.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
like
the
this.
first step.
First step. Then once again, corner to corner
Folding.
folding and creasing, because we are going to make origami paper butterfly.
Okay. You guys have to do it neatly.
Corner to corner, the shape should be like this.
Okay.
अगर आप corner to corner smoothly करेंगे तो ऐसे होगा. Then side by side, you have to fold it side by side like
Okay.
this. One side, then once again fold it.
The other side.
The other side. Crease properly
Okay.
by using your finger. Now, the shape is like that. Now, the next step is you have to join one corner to another
Corner.
corner like this. Just side pieces हम अंदर की साइड पे कर देंगे और
Okay.
corners को हम मिला देंगे like this.
Same.
ठीक है? Another side we'll use like this.
Okay, we have to do it on the both sides.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the next step is you have to put it over here. Once again round
Okay.
and make a half round circle. ये जो 4 corners आपको मिल रहे हैं 1, 2, 3,
4.
4, इसको हम राउंड कर देंगे.
Okay.
एक शेप दे देंगे छोटा सा.
And then cut it.
Then cut it. After me, you will make a butterfly for me, okay?
Okay.
Now, fold half,
So these are the wings.
wings, बिल्कुल. It's 95% done. फिर हम क्या करेंगे? इसको जो corners है, इसे नीचे down करेंगे.
Okay. And then,
Then-
crease.
Once again crease. So इसका शेप कुछ ऐसे आ जाएगा. ठीक है? अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसके जो बैक साइड का जो पीस है,
Yes.
हम इसे उठाएंगे, फिंगर से मूव करेंगे और
Okay. All the way to the back side.
yes. And I am going to fold it
And crease.
properly. Now, अब इसे हम सेंटर से फोल्ड कर देंगे और एक शेप दे देंगे इस origami butterfly को
Okay.
like this.
To give a 3D look. Is it ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay.
Okay, I am giving you this green paper.
Okay.
Okay, come.
So first I have to make it a square.
Very good. Now you have
And
to cut
then-
it properly. Very good. Nice cutting, Arisha.
Thank you, sir. So it's a square now.
Yes.
Now we have to fold it.
Corner to corner. Properly, properly, properly. You have to crease it properly.
Okay.
Then corner,
And once again, now side by
side
side.
by side. Very good, very good.
And then once again, side by side.
Side by side.
So
Very
now
good.
the folding is done.
Yeah, done.
Now it's time for the next step.
You have to join corner to corner.
Yes. Okay, so let's do it.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, you can do it.
It's a bit difficult.
Take your time, take your time. Wait, wait, wait. Like this.
Okay.
You have to just shape this paper like
Okay.
this. Then join once again. अभी क्रीसिंग बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए इस ऑरिगामी बटरफ्लाई के लिए आपकी क्रीसिंग बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए लाइक दिस
It should be neat.
यस हम ये कर लेते हैं ऐसे कर
Okay.
now then you have to join these two corners
Okay.
over
Sir,
here
can I?
yes yes why not yes very good
Now it's time to make the shape.
make the shapes half round
Okay.
now cut it neatly by sharp
Scissor.
very good
So we have a triangle right over here. Now it's time to fold it like this
like this
for the wings.
yes crease it properly good good
Okay. Now it's time
yes
to
yes
pull this all through the back side.
back side
Like this. Is it okay?
yes it's okay
And then crease it properly.
properly
And we have to pinch it from over here.
yes from the center
And the last is that we have to make the shape. I just give the shape and it's done.
wow very good Aisha can I have
It's for you, sir.
thank you Arisha you are a very nice and very good artist like me
Oh, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot because I've learned a lot, and we'll see you in our next episode. Until then, bye-bye.
bye bye